Mr. Leung, please.
Good morning. I welcome you all to ICA Hong Kong Annual Conference 2022 on the theme of Surviving the Climate Crisis, How Prepared is the Construction Industry? This year, we have a record number of registrants of over 400. I thank you all for your support. When I express my gratitude to the supporting organization with the most number of registrants, which incidentally is not dominated by civil engineers, their boss said, everyone is concerned about climate change, especially we engineers, irrespective of discipline. Yes, everyone should be concerned about the climate change, and for us engineers, we have a particular role to play. And to play this role, we need to know more than just engineering. And it is on this premise that in today's conference, we have invited speakers and panelists from various backgrounds to talk about not just engineering, but also to cover also environmental, planning, financial, and operation aspects. I would like to thank our keynote speakers, Secretary for the Environment, Mr. Wong Kam Shing, and our IC President, Mr. Ed McCain, as well as our other distinguished speakers and panelists for sparing their precious time to share with us their insight with us today. My thanks also go to our IC representative for Hong Kong, Mr. Rupert LEUNG, for delivering the opening address to set the scene for the conference, and to our moderators, Professor Wei Peng and Mr. C.M. Lee, for their serious preparation. Of course, I'd also like to thank our sponsor and supporting organizations for their tremendous support, without which this conference would not be successful. Lastly, I would like to thank our chairman of ICA Hong Kong Association, Mr. Louis Wong, for entrusting me with this conference, and also my fellow organizing committee members for their hard work and contribution over the last 8 months. I hope you will all enjoy today's conference and have some takeaway for you for our joint fight against climate change. Thank you.